Alam nyo ba guys na libreng venue lang dito sa The Skiwers? Basta nasa 15 packs and above kayo at may kasama ng libreng balloon decorations at may pakaraoke na ito. Basta mag-order lang kayo ng isa sa kanilang unlimited meals at maganda pa dyan, may 10% discount pa kayo sa total bill. Available ang Korean barbecue for 59 dirhams only with unlimited seafoods, side dishes, rice, and soup na yan. Meron din silang Only Korean barbecue promo every Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. and 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. naman for only 39 dirhams. Available din ang mixed seafoods nila for dine-in and delivery. 99 dirhams nga for 1 kg of mixed seafoods with lobster and 69 dirhams lang ang walang lobster. Syempre, ikaw ang mamimili kung anong flavor ang gusto mo. Meron silang Cajun, creamy lemon butter, spicy, Mexican, and creamy curry. Combo meals are also available, good for barkada and family.